Today's video is on the top 3 best asphalt repairs. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Sikaflex Asphalt Sealant. For those pesky cracks between asphalt and concrete making your property look worn out and neglected, whether it's your driveway, pavement, or a busy roadway, repairing these cracks doesn't have to be a stressful or time-consuming task. This product is your ultimate solution, combining simplicity, reliability, and durability to restore a seamless and professional finish. It's specially designed to make your life easier with its self-leveling formula. Just pour it in and let it do the work. No need for complicated tools or expertise. It's as easy as repair jobs get, making it perfect for both homeowners and professionals alike. When it comes to performance, this product stands out from the competition. It's powerful enough to fill cracks up to 1.5 inches wide. That means even those bigger, more noticeable gaps are no match for its capabilities. Its self-leveling consistency ensures that every repair is smooth and even, with no frustrating lumps or uneven patches. The best part? It's fast-acting. In less than an hour, it forms a protective skin, giving you quick results without the long wait times. So whether you're fixing a crack on a busy driveway or preparing a surface for heavy traffic, you won't be stuck waiting around. It's a time saver and a stress reliever all in one. This product doesn't just fill cracks. It creates a strong, lasting bond that you can rely on. Its excellent adhesion ensures that it sticks firmly to both asphalt and concrete, creating a seamless connection that won't fail. Over time, changes in temperature and ground movement can wreak havoc on ordinary repairs, but not with this solution. Its permanent elasticity allows it to flex and move without cracking, so your repair stays intact through every season. And with its resistance to aging and weathering, you can count on it to look and perform just as well years down the road as it does on day one. It's built for durability, giving you peace of mind that the repair will last. One of the best things about this product is how versatile it is. It's designed to handle a wide range of surfaces and situations, making it ideal for asphalt driveways, roadways, pavements, aprons, and more. Those tricky asphalt to concrete joints that are notorious for cracking over time, this product handles them effortlessly, giving you a smooth, professional finish that blends perfectly. Whether you're fixing up your home's driveway or tackling a larger scale repair, this solution has you covered. Why settle for temporary patches or products that don't deliver lasting results? With this product, you're investing in a solution that combines ease of use, exceptional performance, and long-term durability. Ready to say goodbye to unsightly cracks and restore the beauty and functionality of your surfaces? The choice is simple. Start repairing with confidence today. Smash that subscribe button like you're filling in a crack on your driveway. Number 2, best overall, Meuvcol Asphalt Crack Filler. Tired of seeing unsightly cracks ruining your asphalt surfaces? Cracks not only look bad, but they can also lead to further damage if left unchecked. This self-leveling asphalt crack filler is here to save the day. Designed with a high elasticity formula, this filler is perfect for handling cracks of all sizes, no matter how small or large. The advanced composition ensures that it adapts seamlessly to ground movements and settlements. That means as your surface naturally shifts over time, the filler moves with it, preventing new cracks from forming. With this innovative solution, you can maintain the integrity and smoothness of your asphalt surfaces for the long haul. But it doesn't stop there. This crack filler offers some incredible protective features. Its waterproof capabilities are second to none. It stops water from seeping into the cracks, which could otherwise cause further deterioration over time. You'll no longer have to worry about rain or moisture ruining your asphalt. And let's not forget about its weed-proof barrier. Weeds often find their way through cracks, making surfaces look even worse and causing additional damage. This filler seals cracks tightly, keeping pesky weeds from sprouting and ensuring your asphalt stays weed-free and flawless. Looking for a solution that truly lasts? This crack filler has you covered. With just one application, it provides a robust, long-lasting repair. Once applied, the filler effectively seals the cracks, protecting them from further wear and tear for years to come. Unlike other products that require constant reapplication, this durable fix stands the test of time. You can count on it to keep your asphalt surfaces in top-notch condition without the hassle of frequent touch-ups. The best part about this crack filler is how simple it is to use. You don't need to be a professional to achieve professional results. Start by ensuring the surface is clean and dry, then just open the cap, attach the nozzle, and inject the filler directly into the cracks. It's as easy as that. The filler cures fully within about 24 to 48 hours, giving you a quick and hassle-free repair process. Before you know it, your surfaces will be ready to handle everyday wear and tear. And this crack filler isn't just limited to driveways. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of surfaces. Whether you're working on roadways, pavements, concrete joints, patios, basements, garages, or even parking lots, this product delivers exceptional results. It's even great for sealing cracks in corners or construction sites. No matter the project, this multi-surface solution has you covered, offering a durable finish that stands up to the test of time. Why settle for cracks that compromise the beauty and strength of your asphalt? With this self-leveling crack filler, you can restore and protect your surfaces effortlessly. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days, free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Permanent Asphalt Repair. What if you could fix asphalt permanently while making the process quick, easy, and environmentally friendly? That's exactly what this solution offers. A durable repair backed by a 3-year warranty. That's right. No more worrying about cracks or potholes reappearing after a few months. This solution is built to last, offering you peace of mind and reliable performance for years to come. Whether it's a small patch job or a larger repair, you can count on it to stay strong and durable, standing up to heavy use and harsh weather conditions. But here's what makes it even more impressive. It's environmentally friendly, with absolutely no harmful VOCs, volatile organic compounds. This product is as safe for the planet as it is for the people working with it. Choosing this repair method means you're not only fixing your asphalt, but also contributing to a cleaner and greener future. It's a small change that makes a big difference, helping you do your part to protect the environment while solving your repair needs. Now, let's talk about how simple it is to use. Unlike traditional repair methods that can be messy and time-consuming, this innovative solution is set up with just water. That's right. No complicated chemicals, no special equipment, and no extra steps. Just add water, and it's ready to go. It's perfect for anyone who values efficiency and ease of use, whether you're a professional contractor or tackling a DIY project. And if you're worried about downtime, don't be. This repair method is traffic ready immediately after application. That means you can patch up your asphalt and get vehicles back on the road or lot without delay. Imagine fixing a pothole or crack in the morning and having it ready for use by the afternoon. It's that quick and effective. So why settle for traditional, temporary solutions when you can have an asphalt repair that's permanent, eco-friendly, and incredibly easy to use? Whether you're fixing a small crack or a large pothole, this product checks all the boxes. It offers a lasting solution, reduces your environmental footprint, and makes the repair process faster and simpler than ever before. Isn't this the kind of upgrade your repair process needs? It's time to choose smart, efficient, and long-lasting repairs that do more than just fix your asphalt. They improve your whole approach to maintenance. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.